right, guys, here we are. Pretty morning here in Texas. Uh, First part of March, middle of March. Hadn't done a video in a while. Have done some clips. Was going to put some videos together. They all sucked. Didn't post anything. So, going to do a little update on the car this morning, where we're at. We've made a few changes. Don't know exactly where I dropped off last time, but tell you where the car is right now. And on the closeout video, tell you where we're headed with the car. Anyway, let's get started. Show you what we got. All right, guys. Motor's unchanged. Had a couple little issues from time to time, nothing major. I did put a little cheesy valve in there I got off Amazon. That's on the catch can. I do get a little bit of oil in the catch can, not a bunch. It's got the 750 Brawler on it. See, there's the catch can. As you guys remember, if this is your first video, we don't care what this thing looks like. We just want it to run and be able to cruise it. Anyway, all the details on the motor and everything will be in the description. Everything's pretty much the same. Brawler, 2-inch spacer, Vic Jr, way too tall, way too big carburetor. Idles at about, I don't know, 13.3. Wide open throttle, we're anywhere from 12.3 to 12.8, somewhere in there. Seems to run good. Right now it's sitting on 327 gear, 97 Cobra rear. It's got, I don't remember, it's the later model 5-lug swap spindles in the front. It was done when I got the car. But anyway, you see what we're working with: long tubes, BBKs, redneck. It's got H pipe on it with some redneck pipes on it. We're going to put some race bullets. I've got them already. I just don't run them around town. It's a little loud, especially sitting right underneath it. But that's the motor. Let's go around the car, see what else we got. All right. Biggest change, just picked the car up yesterday. Took the car to Jay's Custom Chassis, Holland, Texas. Jay built chassis on my other car. I decided I wanted to put a little roll bar in here. Talked to Jay. I was up there at his place one day and I said, hey, I need some old man bars in this thing. I don't want to have to crawl in and out too hard. So he put me what he calls them comfort bars in the car. You can see right there, it's got the plate down in the floor. Doesn't interfere with anything. The rear bar going behind from one side of the hoop to the other is straight. If I could change one thing, it would be I'd put a little kicker to the back on that. Doesn't hurt anything. It's just I'm used to slouching in the car. Got the seat all the way back. I've got plenty of room. I'm 6'2", about 265 pounds. But it is comfortable to drive the car. I drove it back from Jay's yesterday. My wife and me drove up there. I got there and he goes, where's the trailer? And I said, I'm driving it. He just laughed. But I drove it all the way back home, ran 65, 70 miles an hour all the way back home. It is, it's comfortable to drive. The bar didn't bother me. Still got all my stuff on my door panels. I'm not taking those out. That's just the way it's going to be. Back of the car, you can see we discussed when I was there. This car was never going to be anything crazy. But you can see where this is going. I told him when he put the rear bars in, at some point I might get crazy and decide to mini tub the car. So he moved the plates in. They're inside of the shock mounts. So if we do mini tub it, don't have to worry about doing anything with the cage. It'll already be there. Put some kickers down there. You can see that they're actually welded to the upper torque box supports. So, old car sturdy. Driver's side, same way. We got the comfort bars in it. Thought about doing the swing outs, but, sometimes swing outs are a pain in the neck. But these, so far, I ain't got anything good and nothing but good things to say about these. They're really slick. I'm not going to paint the cage. To keep it from rusting, I bought some clear spray. I'm going to do that today. I'm going to clear it. Just leave it just like it is. That's where we're at. Got the cage in the car. Now, Summer, see how that shine is off of that dash? Jay warned me when I was going to put that in there. He said, hey, you better paint it. Well, I didn't, and I'm regretting it. So what I'm probably going to do is wrap it with some cheap Amazon wrap. You can buy that stuff that it's kind of like carbon fiber knockoff type wrap. It's kind of a flat black woven type stuff. That's what I'm going to put on this dash. I'm going to pull all the tack, everything, lay it in the floor, wrap the dash, put it back on. Anyway, that's a Scotch rod. Really good, really good stuff. Lightweight, doesn't weigh nothing. Hadn't weighed the car yet. Need to, but I'm waiting. The rear end that's in it, like I said, is a 97 Cobra rear. We're going to update that because we had a 456 8.8 with 31 spline, Eaton True Track. It is got Moser axles. I think they're Moser. They might be Yukon Street axles or off-road axles. I can't remember, but anyway, we'll have that in another video. But that's kind of what we're working with. That's where we're at on the old car. All right, guys. Going to do a little closeout on it, on a little video, just an update on the car. Going to throw some clips in right here.
They see me rolling.
Of bringing the car home from Jay's chassis. My wife got a couple of videos of me in the car headed home, but you'll get to see those. Appreciate you guys for watching. Give me a like and subscribe. Going to try to pick up the videos a little bit more. Try to get some motivation. Plan on going to the track this weekend, not with this car, but with the blue car. Got some other videos coming on some other stuff. Y'all stay with us. Appreciate you watching our video. God bless.